It's Minty. Hola. I'm wearing mint blue glasses, which is funny. A mint blue shirt and some leggings that have a blue one. Like a mint blue. A mint blue. So, said I was going to do the set. So here's the set. Why do I have a random plate? Not one of my plates. Just Barbie plate. So let's start over in this corner. We have my two matching unicornos, my three Eeyores. Eeyore is my Polaroid. One of my Polaroid pictures of the big Eeyore and a little bit of the medium Eeyore. So that's that corner. My mirror that has a quote on the back that I did last year, and I forgot what it's called, but it's something. One day when I go through my baby box, I'll make a video of it. Okay, so I have my 3 Melanie Martinez pins, as you can maybe see. Mel's. I have my glow-in-the-dark bracelet, my non-glow-in-the-dark that's white, and this is, this one's clear, sorry, and that one's white. Everything looks so different with my sunglasses on. I think I'll probably see again. So then, I have my blue bracelet. I have a slap bracelet with some of my pins. And over here, she looks like she's using the Force, like Darth Vader, to choke Luke or anyone. So we have Enchantress. We have my Pusheen pin. We have Buttercup, my unicorno. We have Harley up here. And I don't know what that is back there, but I have Flarp. So, wait, did I already say that? I don't remember. So, next summer, I'm going to Seattle, Washington, and I'm going to go on an airplane there, but whenever I'm in Seattle, I'll totally blog about it. And when I go to Hawaii and Cabo and Mexico, because I'm going to, because my grandparents are amazing, they take me a lot of places, I will be vlogging about that. Of course, I will have these hats on, my favorite hat now, and these sunglasses because I love these sunglasses. Oh my god. Yeah. So, look out for those next summer of 2017. Oh my god, everyone. That's going to be amazing. I cannot wait for New Year's. And I'm going to do a vlog on Christmas. Like at my... sorry. really close. At this house of me opening presents and stockings and stuff. At my grandparents' house and at my other grandparents' house. At my last grandparents' house, they gave me a lot of things, inexpensive things. That's where I got all this stuff because they pay for most of this. So, yeah. So, I will totally vlog when I go on vacations and stuff. Even if it's, like, not even a long vacation, I'll still do it. Because even if it's, like, somewhere in Texas or something, I'll still vlog about it because I love vlogging. I'm going to figure out how to do live. So yeah, I'm going to figure out how to do live. I'll totally do live on one of my vlogs. Maybe I'll do it on my vlogs. I do not know. I'll do it in some time where, like, in summer is when I'll mostly do the live ones. But, like, when it's in the school year, like on Christmas break or something, I will not do live. Because it's Christmas break and I don't feel like doing live. I'll just make a video. Sorry, I'm being so weird. So yes, I'll make a vlog of me cleaning my room. Oh my god, I cannot wait until Monday of December the 13th. I know you're saying, what, Monday? Well, guess what? That's my birthday. So, I'm turning 11 years old, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do something with this background because I don't wanna like this. I'll probably do like get a mint color of a marker or something and like do something with this and like, Minty slash Foxy. So, I don't know. I changed it from randomly to ice because I thought that would go good because when I draw Minty and Foxy or animate them, they both have mint blue. So ice is blue sometimes, or white. Some people think it's blue. So that's why I put ice. So do not question me on that. I am weird and random. So yes. So bye. Hope that information helped you about things. So yeah. Bye. Wait, one last overview.